Adding wall mount lights to your layout is easy with the Just Plug lighting system from Woodland Scenics. Just drill a hole, feed the wires, and plug into a Just Plug light hub. It really is that easy. Hello, I'm Troy with Woodland Scenics. Let's take a closer look at the wall mount lights from the Just Plug lighting system. The Just Plug wall mount lights are available in N, HO, and O scales. The two distinct styles can fit in numerous locations on your layout. Place entry wall mount lights on a business entryway or on homes and garages to show occupancy. Gooseneck wall mount lights are great for rural and business structures or for lighting up a billboard sitting on the side of the road. Each set of wall mount lights includes a linker plug. Linker plugs combine each set of two wall mount lights into a single plug that can be plugged into a light hub. Linker plugs are also detachable, allowing you to feed wires through smaller holes before attaching to a linker plug, which requires no cover-up. Let's add some wall mount lights to this building. When you take your lights out of the package, you will notice the wires have been spooled to keep the lights and wires tidy and easy to manage. The first step to lighting your scene is to determine the location of the lights on your building. You should first consider your layout and what you would like to achieve. Do you want to bring attention to a sign on a building using gooseneck lights? Or draw focus to the entryway of a business using entry lights? For this demonstration, we'll be using this HO scale corner building. Once you decide where you'd like to install your wall mount lights, mark the area where you will be drilling. We'll be adding an HO scale gooseneck wall mount light just over the garage door. And we'll be adding the HO scale entry wall mount light by the door. And on the side, we'll be adding a gooseneck wall mount light to shine on this advertisement. Now let's grab a drill bit. You will need a 1/16 inch or a 1.6 millimeter drill bit for installation on each scale, N, HO, and O. After your holes are drilled, you will feed the wires through the holes. With the gooseneck lights, you're able to gently bend the head to your desired angle. Now, secure all of your lights into place using super glue. I'm using super glue, a foam nail, and a piece of scrap paper. I added just a drop of super glue to the paper and I'm applying just a tiny amount of glue using the foam nail to transport and apply the glue to the light fixture. Once the lights are secured, determine where your light hub will be placed. For this layout, we're going to drill a hole through our base to feed our wires through to our linker plug. Now we need to collect the wires going through the base of the layout. Next step is to connect the wall mount lights to the linker plugs. Each light comes with a red wire and a black wire. To attach the single entry wall mount light to the linker plug, press and hold down the red button and insert the red wire until it hits the back of the linker plug. Then release the button. Repeat with the black wire using the black button. To attach two lights, like these two gooseneck lights, take the pre-stripped section of the red wires and twist them together to create one twisted red wire. Once the red wires are done, repeat with the black wires. Twist them together to form one set of twisted black wires. Now insert the twisted red wires the same as with the single red wire using the red button. Repeat with the twisted black wires using the black button. Once the twisted black wires hit the back of the linker plug, release the black button. Now both linker plugs should be plugged into the light hub. Once plugged in, the light hub can be used to adjust the intensity of the wall mount lights. One plug will control the single entry wall mount light, while the other plug will control both of the gooseneck wall mount lights. Just plug wall mount lights are an easy way to add interest and shine to your realistic scenes. Just drill a hole, feed the wires, and plug into a just plug light hub. It's that easy. These lights look great on signage and buildings, including our Just Plug enabled built and ready landmark structures. You can find more information on Just Plug wall mount lights and other products at woodlandscenics.com. Thanks for watching.